The design team were all behind it and really buzzed about having that form of challenge instead of just making a building look cool. So, for example, the cladding system is not everybody's cup of tea on the Here and Now buildings. It's original, 2004, powder-coated aluminium sheets of cladding. And it would have been really easy to get rid of it all and chuck it in landfill because it doesn't look right. But what we decided is you work in a building looking out, not in the car park looking in.
Yeah.
So let's embrace what we've got. Yes, we'll decorate it. And we ended up putting these really cool reflective panels on it so you can see the sky.
Yeah.
But the real work was done in the internal refurbishment that was truly considered from a green perspective. Do we need to replace certain elements? Yes or no? If the answer is no, it's kept full stop and you have to work with it.